Otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga. Ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa.
Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you watch you from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hit the subscribe button right there. Good morning and welcome to EBEONADI103.5FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 3rd day of December 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Shuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Governor Mba hails Okonjo-Iweala on her appointment as a World Trade Organization DG. Otti explains Abia government's role in Abia International Trade Fair. Ebonyi governor issues 72-hour ultimatum to striking workers. Ex-Imo commissioner sues police for illegal arrest, detention. Nigeria versus Ghana. Iguavon names 44-year-old star in 30-man Super Eagles squad for Shan clash. In pardoning his son, Hunter, Joe Biden echoes some of Donald Trump's complaints. Now, details. Governor Mba hails Okonjo-Iweala on her appointment as World Trade Organization DG. Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Mba, has congratulated Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala on her reappointment as the Director General of the World Trade Organization. Mba, however, said that the development did not come to him as a surprise, given her great leadership of the organization so far in her first term. A statement released by the Senior Special Assistant to the Governor on Media, External Relations, Uche Anishuku, at the weekend quoted Mba as saying, "On behalf of the government and the good people of Enugu State, I congratulate you on your reappointment, which is a testimony to your exceptional leadership of the organization in your first term. You remain one of Nigeria's greatest exports to the world, and your experience, deep knowledge, and global goodwill have no doubt counted greatly in repositioning the World Trade Organization towards achieving its goals and mandate. We can only urge you to keep excelling and keep making us proud," the governor said. Otti explains Abia government's role in Abia International Trade Fair. Governor Alex Otti has explained the reasons for the Abia state government's involvement in the Abia International Trade Fair, which began on November 28th at the Abia Mega Mall. Speaking during the official opening of the trade fair, Otti said one of the primary reasons for the government's involvement was to announce the return of Abia as a major industrial and commercial hub in the West African sub-region. The governor added that the state's active participation in the trade fair highlighted Aba's significant contribution to the country's economic goals, such as economic diversification, job creation, and boosting national output. He noted that significant efforts have been made to restore Aba's former glory through investments in infrastructure, security, waste management, social reorientation, and stakeholder engagement. The governor welcomed both local and foreign businesses participating in the trade fair and expressed gratitude for their involvement, assuring them of the state's commitment to making their experience a success. Ebonyi governor issues 72-hour ultimatum to striking workers. Francis Nwifuru, the executive governor of Ebonyi State, has issued a 72-hour ultimatum to workers who had embarked on an industrial action in the state. The workers, in a move to drive home their demand on the implementation of the minimum wage, had embarked on strike on the order of the Nigerian Labour Congress. However, speaking in his office in Abakaliki, Nwifuru frowned at the development. He stated that the National Assembly did not pass the bill for new salary increment but for minimum wage. He also said that the state government would not fold its hands and allow personal interest to override public interest, stating that his administration had also started paying the new minimum wage in October. Nwifuru said he was surprised when he read in the newspapers that NLC had embarked on an industrial action. Again, let me make it known that I am not owing any worker in the state any month salary, pension, and gratuity. And if you did not go to work and choose to stay at home in the name of strike, I will replace you within 72 hours. So I'm giving you 72 hours to return to duty or I will sack you, Mungu said. Imo commissioner sues up police for illegal arrest, detention. A former commissioner in Imo State, Dr. Fabian Ihekweme, has filed a 5 million naira lawsuit against the Nigerian police force before a federal high court in Abuja over alleged gross violations of his fundamental human rights. In the suit, marked suit number FHC ABICS 1809/2024, the plaintiff seeks an order of perpetual injunction restraining the police from further arrest and detention, intimidation, assault, and harassment over frivolous and unsubstantiated allegations concerning his fundamental rights to freedom of expression. He is seeking a declaration that his arrest on November 28 in Abuja in a justifiable manner by the police in Imo State constituents an infringement of his fundamental human rights, and that is continuous detention by the police amounts to a violation of his fundamental human rights. An affidavit of urgency deposed by the wife of the plaintiff, Mrs. Iyekweme Excel Fabian, said the plaintiff is managing a severe health condition and his continuous detention without access to Medicare will worsen his health condition and endanger his life. Nigeria vs Ghana. Iguavon names 44-year-old star in 13-man Super Eagles squad for CHAN clash. Super Eagles B interim coach Augustine Iguavon has invited 30 home-based players to camp ahead of Nigeria's 2024 African Nations Championship qualifiers against ARC rivals Ghana. Among the notable call-ups is veteran Kano Pillars midfielder Rabiu Ali, who is returning to the national team fold at the age of 44. Ali has been in scintillating form, netting 8 goals in the ongoing 2024-2025 Nigerian Premier Football League season. The squad also featured Nigerian Premier League top scorer Anas Yusuf, Remo star goalkeeper Kayode Bankore, Rivers United defender Stephen Mayo, and Abia Warriors forward Sunday Mewo, Enyimba's Henry Ozemena, and the Enugu Rangers midfielder Mastro Kazim Ogunle also in the spots in the team. Nasarawa United's Victor Collins, who was part of Nigeria's squad for last month's AFCON qualifier, adds further experience to the group. Players will converge at the Remo Stars Stadium in Ikene on Wednesday, 4th December, to begin preparations. You're listening to news updates on EBEONADI103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. In pardoning his son Hunter, Joe Biden echoes some of Donald Trump's complaints. President Biden complained about selective prosecution and political pressure in a system he has spent his public life defending. President Joe Biden and President-elect Donald J. Trump now agree on one thing: the Biden Justice Department has been politicized. In pardoning his son Hunter Biden on Sunday night, the incumbent president sounded a lot like his successor by complaining about selective prosecution and political pressure, questioning the fairness of a system that Biden had until now long defended. No reasonable person who looks at the facts of Hunter's cases can reach any other conclusion than Hunter was singled out only because he is my son, and that is wrong, Biden said in a statement announcing the pardon. Here's the truth, he added. I believe in the justice system, but as I have wrestled with this, I also believe raw politics has infected this process and it led to a miscarriage of justice. The pardon and Biden's stated rationale for granting it will inevitably muddy the political waters as Trump prepares to take office with plans to use the Justice Department and the FBI to pursue retribution against his political adversaries. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Governor Mba hails Okonjo-Iweala on her appointment as World Trade Organization DG. Otti explains Abia government's role in Aba International Trade Fair. Ebonyi governor issues 72-hour ultimatum to striking workers. Ex-Imo commissioner sues police for illegal arrest detention. Nigeria vs Ghana. Iguavon names 44-year-old star in 30-man Super Eagles squad for Shan clash. In pardoning his son Hunter, Joe Biden echoes some of Donald Trump's complaints. You just listened to news update on Ebona the 103.5 FM. News produced and read by Martin Epanchuku Ekezi. Thank you for listening. Good morning. Let's go.
Listen to news updates on EBEONADI 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. EBEONADI FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that people are hoping for a new Nigeria.
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GistFM. The challenges of documenting memories in the 21st century is gone. When you have everyone at the 103.5 FM here, what are you celebrating today? Birthdays, wedding anniversary, traditional wedding, chieftaincy conferment, or fala, etc. Approach everyone at the 103.5 FM Ogidi today to document your event. Ebona the 103.5 FM offers you live coverage of your events on radio and social media, video and photo coverages feature on magazines, photo books and others, news coverage of political and other events. Take this offer and receive a complete coverage. For more information, call or WhatsApp 08065796599 or you visit Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi opposite Omunike Boys inside the Ovin Residency Hotel Ogidi.
That guy you need to.
Ebona the 103.5 FM. Nabakowa production. Police for vigilante. Now my business is going on. When I will tell you AJ radio drama, there we go. Hey, Mama, AJ radio drama, here we go. Gonna dialogue every Monday, 8 o'clock p.m. with a repeat broadcast on Saturday, 3 o'clock p.m. Now, EBEONADI 103.5 FM. If you move by finish your business,
Amara mi re wa di amo. Ko ko na ka do na na ko na ni ri ko na ye. Nke ka ku ja wala ala ma wuzu na ya ma ole si.
Man is a political animal. That's why we all have our views on politics. Political View comes to you at EBEONADI 103.5 FM with Martin Ifeanyi is here every Monday, 3 o'clock p.m. to 4:30 p.m. and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. It's all about the day-to-day activities in the Nigerian political space. Views of political actors from various political parties on political process. Views of labor leaders, and most importantly, your views. Views of the common Nigerian. Tune in to EBEONADI 103.5 FM or you join online via mixlr.com/gistfm every Monday and Saturday. What are your political views? Keep a date.
There is boy child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day.
Christmas this year, 2024, is going to be off the hook.
Where are my choristers? Kedu ndị ụka anyị ikwu ukwe na-amasị?
As EBEONADI 103.5 FM presents EBEONADI Christmas Carol of 9 lessons live performance
Featuring
Zion Choir and Teresa Catholic Church, Umuohia.
Our Ladies Catholic Church Choir, Ogidi, and the St. Michael and All Angels Anglican Church Choir, Ogidi.
EBEONADI on-air personalities and many choristers.
Nakwa ndị ọzọ.
It is happening at European Residency Hotel, Ogidi, which will take place on the 15th of December 2024. The Christmas Carol party will start by 2 o'clock.
For inquiries and sponsorship, please call us on 080-657-96599.
EBEONADI 103.5 FM, Christmas Carol. Come, let's worship Christ the Lord, the season of love.
Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day.
Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi. Ogidi's #1 place for all type of events. Burunia they were from corporate to social gathering or any type of parties, even end of year parties on the club. We have air-conditioned hall and outdoor space of a very good capacity. When Neviano come, let us celebrate your event in style. Residency Hotel Leofin Ogidi. If you are somebody with a taste, when Emmanuel back in it, I want delicious meals, drinks and spirits brewed in different parts of the world. For booking, call 081-4567-8901. One more. Come, let's make your event come through the way it's dream or your plan of why. Residency Hotels Leofin Ogidi, Ogidi's best place for premium events. Ask for an amagoroge, Mwakozian de Haki.
Everything you do is fine. Campus Days is where you get the latest happenings in the campus. EBEONADI 103.5 FM has come again with a sweet program titled The Campus Gist. Are you a student? What is happening in your school premises? What is the latest update in your hostel? Share it with EBEONADI 103.5 FM and learn more about campus life. Call us or WhatsApp on 080-6579-6599. Campus Gist, Campus Life Update. Join me in Nemeko Inagono on the 4th of December 2024 for your Campus Gist, Campus Life Update.
Ogidi Kwenu, Ndogidi Kwenu. Our Dogidi Beauty Show is here again. Our Dogidi 2024. Now, are you up to 18 and above? Register now and win up to 1 million naira. Ebonwa Mulunogidi land or Wadiana. Come and represent your heritage where beauty, brain, and culture blends, empowering the women, enhancing excellence, beauty with a purpose, supporting education, and securing a future. For forms and inquiries, please call or WhatsApp 080-6329-0766 or 090-13566-263. Social media platforms at Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook at Adogidi Beauty Pageants. Forms are available at all residency hotels nationwide. And the deadline for the registration is on the 10th of December 2024. Adogidi Beauty Pageant Show. Don't miss out. Arise. Kunye.
How best can we talk about the challenges we are having on our streets, our community, our society in general? Street report. If we do not address these challenges on EBEONADI FM, who will? As the happenings around us get as complicated as they can be, Street Report is here to make sense of it all. Street Report is causing social change across your streets. In your community, Street Report is here with hardcore journalism to get to the roots of our problem. Why don't you join me, Martin Ifanshu, number the first every Friday, 4:30 p.m. on EBEONADI103.5 FM as Street Reports unfolds in your face. On your Martin EBEONADI 24/7, 24/7. Ladies and gentlemen,
tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride.
Let's go! It's the morning drive on 103.5 EBEONADI FM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio
From 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive.
Make it a date with Martin, aka Metal, on EBEONADI 103.5 FM.
From Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m.
on the morning drive.
103.5.
Guys, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. You rock. Dalum.